Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show the system information commands for the Linux users. Let's get started. The first command is uname. What is uname? Is showing the Linux what you have installed, Unix or Linux. And the second command is uname and the R. This is the kernel of your Linux machine. If you uname -a, you show all the details of your Linux with the kernel. Where is the kernel? This is the kernel and the system version in details and the which architecture your Linux machine have. And the second command, we are going to see the lsb_release-a. Here also same message, but there is a difference. You can see the noble. This is the flavor of the Ubuntu. Some Ubuntus have a jammy and other flavors have in the Ubuntu. This is the 24.04 with the noble. You can see there is a difference. If you done a, you are not getting a noble here in this command, but in the ls, hey, you will get a noble. And one more command, this is not a command, this is a file, all the information are stored, cat etc os release. This information reveals all the details, which operating system with version, and this shows the LTS. LTS means long term support, and the noble, numbat, everything, all the things will show with the help of cat etc os release. And the next command is hostname. Hostname is this one. This is the hostname, not this one. Hostname. What you are seeing, Harish, is the username. Who am I? See, this is the username, not the host name. This is the host name. What are the left you see? This is the user, and the right side is the host name. Hostname.ctl. You can see in the previous command hostname, we see only laptop name and main host name, system name. Here you can see all the details of kernel, architecture, and the which model operating system, not hardware you are using, and when the firmware is installed, all those things you will get it. This is the difference between the host name and the hostctl. And going further to the next command is Neofetch. Neofetch is excellent, same as a home, the host name ctl, but this is difference. If you like to use this Neofetch, you have to install this package from the repository. First you have to update this repository. That's the main thing. Before you installing any packages from the website terminal, you have to update that one. Sudo apt install Neofetch. Yeah, Neofetch is installed. Let's try to enter. Boom. You can see the all details of my system, when the uptime was, this time was, and the kernel, and the model of my laptop, and the OS configuration, everything, and the display resolution, everything. And here you can see my Intel i3 with the 4 core, and the GPU is Intel Skylake, and I have GPU AMD Radeon. Like this you can see all the information by using the Neotech. And moving forward to the next command is hostname -i. What will show? It shows all the network details of your system. Only active IPv4 server will display IPv6 and IPv4. If you like to display all the things, you just erase the small I and enter the capital I. See the difference? In the first, you will see the sum of the IP address. In the second command, you will see the most of the sum IP addresses. This is the difference between small I and this capital I. And the last boot. When you booted, you want to know, right? Last boot. Last reboot. See, you can see. When I last rebooted, I can see all the details. I last rebooted on 11:54. This is the command. This is useful command to see the history of the reboot. And the date. Date command shows which day, date, month and the time running, everything. Just you have to type the date, you will see all the details. And the uptime. In the Neofetch, you can see the uptime, it will displayed. You can also this command uptime, it will show my uptime is 3 hours 32 minutes. My laptop was up and running from 3 hours to 32. And the next, if you like to go with the back of the calendar, you have to install sudo apt install ncal. Just hit enter. You have to install this ncal, and cal command was 09/1995. You can see again back to the calendar previously. If you like to move to the present calendar like 2025, you can see I got the present calendar details. Likewise, you can go with the move further 2100 I went, I got the calendar. Those are the system information commands to use for the Linux users. In the coming up videos, I will do more and more about the Linux commands. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.